Upload your video and click adjust and increase sharpen by 40. Click overlay, background and select a white background. Fill the screen with the white background and reduce it to 4 seconds. Click splice and select overlay. Click animation, out, fade out. Duplicate white background and send it to the end of the video. Add text and enter a full stop. Reduce the opacity to 16. And increase the size to 100. Select animation, loop, flicker, and drag the slider down. Enlarge the full stop to fill the screen. Match the flicker with the white background duration and duplicate it and send it to the end of the video and export.
I